Well, hello there, villagers. The Boy Who Bakes by Ed Kimbo is a book I've had on my bookshelf for a long, long time. It's the kind of book that every page has something delightful on it, and it's my New Year's resolution for 2024 to bake everything in a cookbook, and this is the cookbook I've chosen. You'll see why. That's the first page. That looks like a good cake, doesn't it? And then there's all sorts of yummy looking things. Most of them have pictures, so you can see vaguely what it's going to turn out like. I show you this so that you can get excited for what will follow, hopefully. It's a year's worth of baking. I like the look of that. Oh, and that. Oh, that one doesn't have pictures, but this one does. So there's all sorts of yummy looking things. Cakes, biscuits, main courses, all sorts of lovely looking stuff. So it's going to be a very interesting year. Come along with me as we work out what we're going to eat. I will also put in links to Ed's Instagram because he's now a much older fellow, because he actually won Bake Off a very long time ago. So he doesn't look like this boy on the front of the cover anymore. I looked him up and was very surprised. But hopefully you will find lots of lovely things in here that you also would like to bake. So come along and bake along with me. Today is the first day of using The Boy Who Bakes. And today I am making this beauty. We're going to tea at somebody's house in 2 days, so I said I would bring the ultimate chocolate cake because it serves 12 to 16 people, and there's only 3 in my house, and that seemed like a lot of cake. So this is what it's supposed to look like. This is what it actually looks like. And here's the end result. My feedback so far is that the recipe is very easy to follow, but it does require lots of washing up because there's bowls for the ganache and bowls for melting the chocolate and bowls for making the cake. I'll provide feedback on the taste once I've taken it to my friend's house for tea on Sunday.
Lovely. Get a good bit. Actually, I need a bit with all the topping on, don't I? I think that's probably the best one. That's lovely.
Righto.
That's lovely.
Cake number 2, raspberry ripple. This is what it's supposed to look like. And it feels a bit like a dismal failure. Trouble with the icing.
So I'll make sure I've got a bit of the topping and a bit of the cake. It's nice. It's not as good as last week's cake, but it's still nice cake.
Excellent. Yeah, failure then. I think I need a syrup or sugar thermometer, because Italian meringues and I have not really become very acquainted so far, and boiling up hot sugar syrup is a guesswork if you don't have a thermometer. I've borrowed my friend's mixer and it was a fantastic job, but it hasn't given as much rise as I would like. So we keep practicing. Hopefully it tastes nice. The caramel was about the only thing that did work right. And you have to put sugar in a bowl, in a saucepan rather, and effectively heat it till it starts smoking. It was quite nerve-wracking. But it's even got little bits in it. It's going to go in the fridge now and see if it'll firm up a bit. It's not pretty, but hopefully it'll taste nice.
Oh, hang on. Let's keep going.
It's very cinnamony, but then it's going to be because it's got quite a lot in it. Quite caramelly, but the sponge is very dense, so I haven't done something right. It reminds me of something, but I can't remember what. Very nice.
Which bits I'll just take a bite out the middle.
Mm-hmm.
Very nice.
Ice cream's still quite hot.
Yeah. Oh.